Tonight we're going to be doing the power wheels, about 8 minutes. These little tigers here are going to fire it up on the track for you. We're going to go to 8 minutes, then we're going to go into 4-cylinder heat number 1, 6-cylinder heat number 2, 4-cylinder heat will be number 3. We are going to do consolation, 8-cylinder round, and then the 8 cylinders will be one and done, and then go right to the feature. So let's get these little guys over here and gals introduced. Put your hands together for number 71, Liliana Jana out of Silver, Mass. Number 1111, Leo Rogers out of Chester, Vermont. Number 6, Arabella Geyer out of Goshen, New Hampshire. 444, Don the Dominator out of Chesterfield, New Hampshire. Number 15, I only got her last, first name was Adeline, out of Greenville. Okay, what are we doing? A countdown from 5? Okay, everybody with us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! The track's a little muddy. Adeline comes right in for the first hit on the wheel. Come on, Dom, punch it. Back it up, Adeline, back it up. Put it in reverse. Juliana coming in for the hit. Leo making a hit. Back it up. Go forward, Juliana. Turn her around. Go ahead, Arabella. You got this. Go forward. Drive. Chase him down. The girls are having a battle over there. Leo with a hit. Look at the girls go out here. Back it up, back it up. Adeline powering through. Adeline, put it in reverse. Back it up. Go forward. Go ahead, Arabella. Here comes Leo. Boom! Keep going, Leo. Keep hitting them. Adeline's going for a track shot. Boom! Into the Dominator. Go for it, Leo. You got it. Back it up, Leo. Come on, Juliana. Big hit on the Leo. Go, Leo, go! Arabella's going in for a hit on Juliana. And here comes Adeline. She's going for another track shot. Big hit coming up. Boom! Juliana's coming in nose to nose. Another hit from Adeline. Keep going, it's not over yet. Adeline, put it in reverse.
It's gonna be a left. They're not even thinking until they stop. be 30.
And here comes the Dominator.
30 by the time this.
Got some mom horsepower behind him. And they're freed up. Adeline's going for it. Juliana's got some speed. Ah. Uh-oh. Hang on, Dom. Boom.
Somehow it's on it. No, all I did is I was
Well, be careful. I don't want you guys to get hurt now. Stand over here. So that way they can just also...
You got 1 minute left, kids. Turn it around, Adeline. Come on, Juliana.
No, it happened to me.
Arabella's going in. Come on, big hit, all of you. Let's go. 30 seconds. Make the hits. Come on, kids. We're almost done. Come on, make it back.